In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to combine cylindrical objects in Cinema 4D. By the end, you'll know 3 reliable approaches, when to use each, and how to keep your workflow clean and predictable. Let's start with the most flexible method, the connect generator. Begin by creating your cylinder objects in the scene. Then, head to the generator's menu, look for the icon that also houses the subdivision surface, and choose the connect generator. In the Object Manager, drag your cylinders under the connect generator so they become its children. This makes the connection procedural, which means you can rearrange, add, or remove objects without permanently committing right away. In the attributes for the connect generator, switch to the Object tab and enable Weld. Turning on Weld tells Cinema 4D to merge nearby points along the seams, helping remove visible splits where the cylinders touch. Once you like how everything is coming together, click the Make Editable button in the toolbar. This converts the result into a single polygon object, giving you a clean, unified mesh that's ready for further refinement, selections, and deformations. Now, if your cylinders intersect and you want a true combined volume, the bool object with the union operation is a strong choice. Add a bool, set its operation to union, and place your intersecting cylinders as its children. Union calculates the shared surface to produce a single continuous volume, especially useful when you want one watertight form from overlapping shapes. Keep in mind that bool operations are procedural and can be more computationally intensive, so they're great while you're exploring forms and making adjustments on the fly. For a quick no-frills merge, use the right-click menu in the Object Manager. Select your cylinders, right-click, and choose Connect Objects to generate a new combined object while preserving your originals. If you already know you're finished with the individual pieces, choose Connect Objects and Delete instead, which creates the merge result and removes the source objects in one go. This approach is fast and convenient when you simply need one object without extra setup. To recap, use the connect generator when you want a procedural setup, with the option to weld points and later make everything editable. Pick bool with union when intersecting cylinders need to become a single continuous volume, and rely on the right-click connect options for quick joins when speed matters. Try these on your cylinders and choose the method that best fits your scene and workflow.